Hello, my name is Zhu Jiapeng, the game designer of VR game Police and Gangster and Fishing. Today I will use Pico News 3 VR game console and their controller to show how to play these two games. Okay, let's start. Okay, here we come to the fishing game, which is a casual game. And let's begin. In this game, you need to use your controller to trying to hold the fishing rod, just like that. And waving your controller can waving the fishing rod in the screen. And if you put the fishing bag into the river, then you begin the fishing process. We can see a circle just moving. And if you didn't get the fishing out, the fishing will escape. So trying to fishing in the right time, just like that.
Good.
Okay. So the first item out, and then you can see the screen that we show the target surplus, which means that we need to do how many times fishing. Once you got the success, just like that, and the target surplus, the number will get reduced. So this game actually focus more about your attention and relaxation. There are other things that help you distract your attention and let you keep relaxed in the fishing environment. 结束吧。